Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, much like the open road before us. As we ride through the parkways of life, remember that every twist is a chance to explore, and every turn brings a new adventure. Just like the thrill of the ride, let the freedom of the journey remind you that the path ahead holds endless possibilities. Embrace the ride, savor the scenery, and let every moment fuel your spirit. The road may be winding, but with each mile, you're weaving the tapestry of your legacy. You're the writer of your story, and every road you take adds to the incredible tale of your life.